enough of them are down here. Remember, I'm going to buy a couple rifle down the road too. All boy, when you say them not link with me, have some rifle shot for them. Remember that you think a joking thing and pay a rifle ragga bus on them pussy. Big up my friend Sonny.
Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. The Jamaican Constable Force is seeking help for this man, to find this man right here. That's in this video, ladies and gentlemen. Me call that one ya a movie. Me no know where him come from, but me not link with him. That one ya name Brandishing. Me no know if a brandishing or spanglishing, but the Jamaican police is seeking help, searching for this man brandishing rifles in this viral video, as they will not be taking any one man, but they might take a one away of this long one. Listen to me. Subscribe, like, and share if this is your first time you hear the Jamaican Constable Force, the JCF, the well-trained men of our island, will not be taking one man's online gun toting terrifically or lightly. It's now seeking public's assistance to apprehend this man and find his location. He is seen brandishing a weapon in a viral video. Listen, that look like a toy. I hope it not real. The way I wave it round. Listen, family, I hope a toy. Listen, you hear the man say in a video. Alright, the video recently surfaced online and has quickly made circulation around social media platform while the man's exact location is not known. He has a Jamaican accent and was seemingly in a small grocery shop while showing off his weapon. The videoed man declared that he was equipped with more of them and issued warning to his enemies. Enough of them ya dong ya. Ah boy, you where? No, say them no link with me. Have some of them rifle thing for them. Remember that? You think a joke thing? The man stated. The head of the corporate community unit, Senior Superintendent Police Stephanie Lindsay, disclosed that the police are actively trying to identify the man. According to Lindsay, the video has been widely circulated while the force is now looking for this fool. You hear me? This is a stark, crazy fool. Me hope it's a toy. Every little girl and boy, you hear what me say? Look pan that thing there. Look pan that thing there. He can't hide now fling way. I'm telling you. A dopey the pan thing there. Lindsay has welcomed any information from the public which may be given anonymously. Nobody now run off them mouth when them see them here thing. Who know a fool? People let me know if you know the golden rule. See, I'm blind and hear and deaf. What do you coof, cough, quaff? Me shaking in me boots. The man say who not link with him. Have whole heapa queng, 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 pishing, ping, ping, ping. Me not link with him, so I hope him not. Me not know him. Look here. Constable Force, JDF and JCF. Officer Lindsay. Me no know him, me not link with him. Me a gonna need some security. Because the man said in the video, who not link with him, have some cough, cough, quaff come in. Why? He might big up somebody in a video too. All that the person they might have to run away. Uno inform every second of the day. Them boys are so full. Them are inform pan themselves, and that is the bad man #1 role. Not tell pan yourself. You don't even want to tell pan no one else. But look pan the idiot. Look pan the oxymoron. Look pan the big baby fool. A chat say, if you're not linked with him have whole heap of thing for you. Then I saw them your man are funny. And wibbly wobbly. Unu a go kill man cause man no one link with you no when man feel link with them girl. Listen, publish and distribute this, make we find this fool all over the world. The Jamaican constable is looking for this Brandish king. You hear what me say? A Brandish king, cause him and a brand. Him and a Jamaican bad man. This is a Jamaican fool. Him don't even know the first role for bad man school. Don't inform upon yourself. How you inform out farm and viral farm. Everything you farm. You gone pan the plantation gone show them. Wagwan. You hear where the fool say in the video. The boy say enough of them down ya. All boy who know say them nah link with me. Have some rifle shot for them. Remember that. You think a joke thing. Me gonna make him say it. Me gonna make you no hear. Because of him beat up himself. Or him out farm. Or him in farm. Or him viral video farm. Fools. Technology will be getting you.
Have some rifle shot for them. Remember that you think a joking thing and pay a rifle rubber bus on them pussy. Big up my friend Sonny. Yeah. Not for them you down here.
Me I wonder if Sonny a video thing. Cause if a Sonny a video thing, Sonny you are gonna get locked up too. You are going to get locked up. Because how him a big you up like a your thing him having a him hand. Mine, the whole jail cell is going to pop up. Me can't believe me eye. Say Jamaicans this fall. Ladies and gentlemen, I went to a good school. I went to Lacovia primary school. And them told me, couple of roles. Not tell pa yourself. Look at this ya informer. He inform till him out farm, till him viral farm. Worldwide, the Jamaican Constable Force is asking to get this stupid person off the road because him don't feel the cross. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier. They approach TV. The Jamaican force are trying to get this fool off the street. He's in a convenience store. You can see it. The boy say if you're not linked with him, in a blood you go swim. More life, more joy, more happiness. Me and him not link. I'm going to need security.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flash the lightning and who roll the thunder? The blue flash the lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier and fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in. You hear? Every time.
Yeah man, big up the Deep Roots TV, Caution Sesame. Big up Deep Roots TV.
Yo, this one is for the youth. Yeah, you're watching Deep Roots. I know you're cute.
Deep Roots TV.
Big up Deep Roots TV.
Shout out to Deep Roots, bro.
Shout out DBTV.
Tune in to Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacob said that.
Log on to Deep Roots TV.